live on Facebook. तो हम live हैं. So
Oh,
welcome Devika.
hi, Jasmeet.
Hello. So and just as I said, welcome Devika. My son वहाँ से शुरू हो गया. So anyway, part of life.
I am also with bated breath waiting. जबकि मैंने स्क्रीन टाइम पे टाइम दिया हुआ है.
Seriously, man. Hmm. So audience, all of who are watching us today, I have with me Dr. Devika Singh from Bangalore. Devika is a hyper busy lawyer and CEO and an entrepreneur. She has a very packed life, and she made this instinctive decision to join me on Shift in June last year. So we're going to talk about her journey, and thank you, Devika, for joining us.
Thanks, Jasmeet.
And so Dev first, and I call Devika Dev, so I'll stick with that.
Yeah.
So Dev, let's start with tell the audience a little bit about yourself. Give us some background. What do you do? What is the nature of your work? Family. Thoda sa hame, give us some more insight into knowing you.
Great, thanks so much. So I call Jasmeet Jazz. Okay, fine. So and both of us are very prone to showing our batisi. So even if we are live, okay, we are going to probably keep bursting into giggles, particularly because the nature of my work is so serious that I look at every opportunity to burst into giggles as an opportunity well spent.
Yes.
Okay. So in any case, so yeah, so yes, so with the hyper busy this thing. In fact, I think yes, I am mother to a firm that is one of the leading firms in the country for diversity and inclusion. Okay, so we are lawyers, we are doctors, we are psychotherapists. Okay, we are counselors, and we work in the space of sexual harassment, workplace discrimination. We act as external members to committees. Okay, we deal with a caseload of sexual harassment cases, violence against women. So it's all very serious work, fine, and very emotionally taxing work, but incredibly, rewarding work that we have a real passion for. So I wake up in the morning and I think I have dreams also in technicolor of work. So that's the space I am in. And on top of that, I have a 7-year-old. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So pretty much I have 2 full-time jobs. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Yeah. And I'm also, as a single parent, I am blessed with taking care of him completely. Fine. And I got lucky in the lockdown that I got locked down with my parents. Okay. And which was also a blessing. Okay. And but of course, considering the fact that all of us are in the same house, so it becomes like a real full house. I feel for the full house concept.
Okay. Yes, I hear you.
Yeah. So that's what my life is like. Before COVID, I used to, people used to ask me, Devika, where are you based out from? And I used to say I'm based out of a suitcase. Okay, because we have an office in Delhi, we have an office in Bangalore, we have an office in Mumbai, in Chennai, and all I'd be doing is flying either between my offices or flying to client offices. Okay, but ever since COVID, I am actually based, and it's amazing
to be based out of one place.
Yeah, and one of my biggest issues pre-COVID in terms of weight was that when I travel, I eat all sorts of junk, and I realized that post-COVID, that's the same issue. I eat all sorts of junk. So at that time, I used to blame travel, and post-COVID, I had to blame myself.
COVID, man. Much easier.
But it wasn't much easier. It was a realization. See, you can keep blaming an external factor, right? अरे मैं इतना ट्रैवल करती हूँ, ऑफ आवर्स होते हैं, एयरपोर्ट फूड ही मिलता है, क्या करें, फिर बहुत भूख लग जाती है तो मैं ये खा लेती हूँ. यू गिव योरसेल्फ एवरी पॉसिबल एक्सक्यूज. एक बार जब कोविड के बाद घर में बैठे, जहाँ सिर्फ घर का खाना चाहिए था, that I realized my snacking habits are off the charts. And I was barking up the wrong tree, blaming my travel
schedule. Wow.
Exactly. Okay, so I'm most capable of sitting at home and developing Oh God,
Mhm.
plenty
Yes.
of, plenty of completely off the rail eating
Yes.
habits. But yeah, but in
Yes.
the middle of all of this, so when COVID happened, it was tough because we were all stuck at home, and I was someone who used to really travel a lot, and from traveling like that, coming down to zero travel, it was one real transition. I think also the fact that kids were back home. See, when kids are in school, it's different. When kids are home, it's completely different. I also realized that in some ways I can turn into a manic parent, particularly when teaching falls to me. Okay. Fine. And it seemed like every morning my son and I used to wake up with these battles where I'd be pushing him in front of Zoom school, and we all hate Zoom school. Collective conscience of the nation.
Yes.
Okay.
Of
And
the world.
of the world. Absolutely. So, so those were the kind of days that were happening. And I found myself, first doing Kotwali during the day, okay, to ensure he stays in Zoom school and he's sitting in front of the laptop, fine, and he's paying attention. Then I would find myself in my work schedule. Okay, then I'd find myself, back on homework duty, what school very nicely started calling SLS, student led learning.
Okay.
Basically meaning parent led, go
ठीक है.
go and take care of everything. Okay,
हाँ.
so that would happen, and eventually I'd find that after I put him to bed and everything, 12 o'clock midnight was the time when I had time for myself.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And I would end up opening bhujia ke packets
हाँ. हाँ.
and slabs of dark chocolate,
Chocolate. हाँ.
yeah, to compensate for the day.
हाँ. हाँ.
Okay, and what was
Yes.
happening? So,
Me
so
too.
that was the kind of, absolutely. So that was the kind of space I was on. Also,
Mhm.
I was a very regular, I used to regularly walk before the lockdown.
Yeah.
Okay, with the lockdown, those walks stopped.
Hmm.
So, so it was an ugly space because there I was overeating, binging, not feeling miserable about life in a lot of ways, and
Hmm.
also not doing any sort of my regular routine of exercise.
Yeah.
And around that time, I came to know that Jasmeet is, she's going to be doing shift, and I kind of, to be fair, it was like one of those out of syllabus things. Okay, so I didn't know what the syllabus was.
हाँ.
Whenever I would ask anything about syllabus, the very clear understanding I got was we will take it as it goes, and I liked it.
Okay.
Okay, I liked the idea that you were starting with like a clean slate, an open canvas, and you had, of course, you had what you were going to do. But since this was the first group you were taking on, I think there was so much openness in terms of how even you were willing to whatever may be thrown on.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have a history of failed endeavors.
Okay.
Did I mention I'm a single parent? Okay, fine. So, when I mean failed endeavors, I mean that मैंने पूरी country में बहुत gym memberships में बहुत donations दिए.
डोनेशन दिए.
हाँ,
चढ़ावा चढ़ाया.
बिल्कुल पिटारा खोल खोल के, ठीक है. Personal in fact I used to feel so guilty about my personal instructor कि वो बेचारा मुझे हर बार फोन करता रहता था कि जब उसका फोन आता था ना, मैं उसकी फी ट्रांसफर कर देती थी. कुछ
मेरी तरफ से आपको कोई फाइनेंशियल लॉस ना हो, और मुझे क्या लॉस हो रहा है उसकी आप चिंता मत करो.
exactly.
हाँ.
So उस तरीके से I have gone through, all of that.
Yeah.
So I did not imagine shift would be different. Okay,
Yeah.
I imagined that it was something where, okay, I'm out of choices in a way because I have gone through every gym. मैंने क्या क्या नहीं करा है यार. Cult Fit करा है, वो कौन सा वो न्यूट्री दिस थिंग, एक और ऐप बेस्ड चीज है Healthify. Okay, Healthify, Nutri Base. I mean, I've been through all of it. Okay, and with shift I didn't have. My bar for me was
ठीक है. वेरी लो कि कुछ हो गया तो बोनस. एक्सपेक्टेशन कोई नहीं है.
एक्सपेक्टेशन कोई भी नहीं है. And I think I spent a lot of time, Jasneet, with you also telling you expectation कोई रखना भी मत.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the space in which I entered shift, and well, surprisingly it didn't turn out like that. So Yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
that's the rest of the equation. But yeah, that's how I landed in Shift.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that amazing background, that context, because yes, I could so relate with it. 5 years back, I was in a very, very similar space, especially when you talk about gym donations. It shouldn't be called membership. It just should just be, they should just rename it donation. So, so tell me, I will get to asking you what was your experience mm, working inside Shift, but I'm wondering if I should just flip the order around and first ask you, like, what was the output? What do you think you derived out of Shift? And then I'll ask you how that happened. Is that, should
Got
we do it like that?
it. Got it. Absolutely. Okay. So, all right. So the first thing is in terms of where. So let me put it like this. When I got into Shift, okay, one of course was I realized that I have zero consistency.
Hmm.
Okay, in the sense of what I'm doing for myself.
Hmm.
All right,
Hmm.
fine. So that was number one. That was an issue. All right. The other issue was, of course, I mean, when you start thinking of it in numerical terms, then yes, I mean, weight. Okay, my weight was somewhere between, I think it was 67 when we started, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So my weight was around 67, and I would be but it wasn't the weight as much, it was how terrible I was feeling for myself, you
Hmm.
know and
Hmm.
how terrible I thought that I looked.
Hmm.
Okay. And the fact that I was, I literally had a broken heart over the fact that I'm no longer walking and everything. So there was a very negative, more than the body inch or kilo parameters. I would say my mental space was horrible, and I really thought that I cannot make any sort of difference to that. And I think whatever conversations I would have at that point of time, what I recollect were very fixed in nature of, यार ये तो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, यार विवान का ये schedule है तो ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. ओके, अरे मैं I can't fit in an exercise thing, अरे अब covid है, अब lockdown है, so I would actually talk about my language, and I would talk about my general outlook and how fixed that was when I got in. Okay. And for the first 3 months in Shift, I was in cheat mode.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's talk
Fine.
about
And
that. Yeah.
and I'll talk about that also, because I think all of us do get there. But what am I now, this side
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
having done Shift?
Yeah.
Okay. So 6 months. So interestingly, Shift started in June. Okay. And it ended on the day of my birthday.
Yeah.
In December.
Yes.
And one of my goals was, what I said was, I want to look super hot on my 40th birthday.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. And what I realized was that, so when I come to this side of Shift, number one, I realized that I carried a lot of negativity about my body.
Hmm.
Okay. Which went away, which is a huge thing. Okay. Fine. That negativity went away about my body. The second thing I realized was I started feeling really good about my body. Okay. Now, okay, in terms of kilos, let me make it very clear. Fine. From a 68 or 67, I'm right now at a 64, 65.
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं है that it's not like one of those transformational things जहाँ मैं lose 10 kgs in 1 month वाला चीज. Okay.
Hmm.
It's not
Hmm.
that.
Yeah. I'm glad
But
you.
I can tell you that from a feeling like a damp squib at a zero about myself, I
Hmm.
now feel like I'm a, forget perfect 10. I feel like I'm a 12, man.
Ooh.
It's like
Okay.
that.
Virtual kiss.
And it's yeah, and I think that was something that was completely missing. And the fact that I gained that kind of confidence, I started wearing clothes. So on my birthday, like I wore this, tight fitting skirt with like this top and everything that I wouldn't usually end up wearing
Uh-huh.
after having had a baby.
Huh.
Okay. But I did that fine. And usually when people used to compliment me, I would think they're making it up. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Like there was this thing in my head that would just hear it as, oh, this person's being kind, and I would actually return back by saying, oh, you're kind, that's so sweet of you, you know actually meaning it like that. But now when people were complimenting me, I was like, yeah, man, I'm grooving it.
I
I'm
know.
grooving it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that confidence, that was a complete shift. And yes, I did see the inches go down, Jasneet. I think we saw inches, maybe about 3 inches nearly everywhere went down.
Yes.
Okay, in terms of measurements, I saw those inches go down, but I still carry my tummy. Okay, I still have that, fine.
Yeah.
And there are so many parts of my body. If I were to individually look at them, I'd say कि अच्छा ये अभी भी है, ये अभी भी है, ऐसा नहीं है. But now I'm like chill about it. And that is a major change. That's that 6-month change. Okay, so yeah, and I think now when I enter shift 2, it is having done this fantastic thing of positive body image for myself. Okay, and now there is so much else that I can work on because I've gotten over that mental block of I look bad.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah. And huge. I mean, everything you shared, Devika, because we keep expecting our bodies to look a certain way before we can celebrate them, before we can celebrate being ourselves. And yet here are our bodies waiting for us to embrace them so that they can change more easily. Yeah. And it's amazing how you've really comes long way, and where you're feeling this kick-ass way about yourself, like 12 on 10. Wow, I love that. And now you're like ready to make a deeper change. Like the starting point has completely changed, right? In in shift 2.0 that we are starting. So tell me, what do you think? What was your experience? What were some of the things that helped you make this transition? Like you mentioned that there's some change physically, but more of like self-image change and of course energy change. So what were some of the things that we worked upon inside Shift that helped you make these changes?
So the deal with Shift is it's not drastic. Okay, it's very incremental. It builds on you. As I said a short while back, for 3 months I was on cheat mode. Why? Because at that time I was looking at every habit in isolation. So we'd be practicing various habits, right? Okay, and I'd look at every habit in isolation. So if the habit was drink more water, okay, I would be in the space where अरे मैं पानी तो इतना पीती हूँ, इससे क्या होता है? Okay, ये तो मैं कर ही रही हूँ. All right, or if the habit was concentrate more on vegetables and fruits, or concentrate more on proteins, so I'd be like, yeah, that's the way my meals have been. Okay, right. So I was in cheat mode where I was like, acha theek hai, chalo ye bhi kar liya. Okay, but what I wasn't figuring was the larger picture of how each and every incremental change layers itself in changing the way you approach things. Okay, so when you start looking, so it's something like this. When you go very close to a painting, okay, then you'll end up seeing like every brush stroke separately. But it's only when you step back that you start looking at it, okay, and you realize, oh my God, this is beautiful. Fine. And that's what with the incremental changes that happen, that's what actually ends up happening. Because what you're doing is you are exercising conscientiousness, you're exercising I won't say discipline, okay, but you're exercising holding yourself accountable. But here is the interesting thing, it is not in a space that judges you. Okay. So the one thing with you, Jasneet, was that you were never about judgment or about milestones. You know what I mean? Okay, where you say कि अच्छा ठीक है, अब 48 hours जो है ना ये नहीं खाना, ठीक है, तो you will make up for that. It was never anything like that. Okay, or we are going on alternate intermittent fasting, or we are going on, चलो अब हम 3 दिन पानी पिएंगे. Okay. Yes. Like so it was never that. It was always just a push of ये छोटे-छोटे changes लाओ, छोटे-छोटे changes लाओ, कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, अगर तुम 80% भी कर लेते हो, so and this was the beautiful thing about the program. Okay, everywhere that we speak, people talk about 100% commitment. जब तक 100% commitment नहीं दोगे, तब तक कुछ नहीं हो सकता. That ends up putting, at least people like me who anyway have such bad body image issues, okay, it put me in a very terrible funk, because when I'd fail, okay, to do that 100%, okay, my failure would take me to the munchies, yeah, straight. I mean, like I'd go from I'm here trying to do 100%, I'm hitting it. Oh damn, I failed. Dhar niche gaye, and then I'd feel like I can't do this. So I'm like
Mm.
munching and eating, and I do, and I realized during shift I realized how much emotional eating I do. I think one of the first things that we did was figure out why you eat, right?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Why do you eat? Figure out your basic motivation. And I
Yeah.
figured, yeah, I eat when I'm happy, I eat when I'm sad.
Yes.
Fine.
This
So all
comfort.
of, yeah, it's all comfort for me. It's
Mm.
like that emotional thing, you know, garam cheese आई, खिचड़ी आई, बस उसमें लगे हुए हैं बिना सोचे समझे जो है आपको लगता है, you think that I'm eating something which is very healthy.
Mm.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And उसका कितना क्वांटिटी खा लेते हो because आप जो हो उसको इमोशनली खा रहे हो.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
without this thing. Acha, then I would always look at my food as an accompaniment to me watching television, to
Mm.
you know, to me getting my time to read my book, okay, read a e-book, etc. Fine, कि यही मेरा off time है. अब वो off time में वो करते करते आपने कितना खा लिया?
Yeah.
So those, so when you made us pay attention to why we are eating,
Mm.
not what we are eating as much, but why we are eating.
Mm.
Okay, and when that consciousness started coming in, वो एक बड़े layered तरीके से आई जहाँ I said, यार, really, do I really need to do this? Can't I break both these things up? Can't I break my book reading up? Okay, can't I first finish the eating part and then do my book reading? All right. Or,
Mm.
and the other thing that came was, say if I had a rotten day and I was dealing with a case where I know this woman's been through terrible distress and it's hit me emotionally. Okay, fine, I would come out of it, and usually before shift I would just go to like a big bowl of food, you know, nachos with some avocado, this thing
Mm.
made up and everything, and I'll sit with that and, you know, feel sorry for her, feel sorry for myself, and get out of it. Okay. Fine. All right. And now I was like, yeah, I know I'm feeling really low emotionally.
Mm.
Okay, let's forget the nachos, let's just go for a walk.
Wow.
You know, so that, and that just became little stuff that I just started doing, and all of it came together. And I
Mm.
think that's what was transformational about this program, because it wasn't about putting a goal to you, not about saying ki 100 push up karni hai, 50, you know, ye karne hai. No.
Mm.
Okay, it's just about, can we just make a little bit of a better choice?
Mm.
Okay, I understand you feel stuck, but can you make, and those are the questions that you would ask, thoda sa better choice kar le. So not 100%.
Mm.
You were happy with 60, you were happy with 50, you were happy for us showing up.
Yes, I was. Every time I would tell that.
Okay, which brings me to the other thing. Okay,
Yeah.
making a supportive group
Mm.
that builds up to that. So see, so your style of coaching is very gentle.
Mm.
All right, because you also know that it is the gentle push that works to be more effective.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
fine. All right, now in the group, I remember when we started out, there were a lot of people who would say कि यार इससे क्या होएगा?
Mm.
You know, so I would hear these people, you know, कि इससे क्या होएगा? You know, you need to tell us what we should eat. And
Huh.
एक point मैं भी यही सोचती थी यार, you should be telling us what to eat. And it's नहीं, मैं नहीं बताने वाली हूँ. Okay, fine. And people would be coming to say, please मेरा diet chart देखो. मुझे so and so ने ये वाली diet बोली थी. ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ चीले खा रही हूँ and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. Yeah.
All right. So, you know, or someone who was on soup, केवल ना cabbage soup or something.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
ठीक है. Yeah. So you know, people get into these funks, and because they lose 1 or 2 kgs in the immediate, you know, they think it works, but we immediately pile it on, yeah, which was the classic thing that was happening with me. Okay, कुछ sudden करती थी and then बाद में weight pile on होता था. So you are more of the gentle nudger. Fine. So the group also eventually, you know, the people who were looking for that cabbage soup and the people who were looking for the quick fix, you know, eventually either they transformed or to their own loss, they left.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So eventually the group that happened around the 3rd month or the 4th month of shift was all of us who got the philosophy. We got each other. And then it was just a matter of, अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग सब सेम पाथ पे हैं, कोई इधर है, कोई इधर है, कोई बिल्कुल आगे है. तो बिल्कुल आगे वालों को देख के बड़ा होप होता था. ठीक है, बिल्कुल पीछे वालों को देख के होता था चल आजा आजा.
Yes.
You know, it
Uh,
became a really supportive structure. And I
yeah.
was very glad to have found it during COVID. It couldn't have been a better time for me, okay?
Mhm.
Because I think agar shift nahi hota, I would have definitely gained another 5 kgs over COVID. Definitely. There's no two ways to it. Okay. So not only did I not gain that weight, okay, I also ended up losing weight. I also ended up gaining super confidence.
Wow. Wow. Oof. Amazing. So, so tell me, you mentioned somewhere that you weren't expected to do 100% things, right? That
Yeah.
कुछ जो भी चीजें करनी थी 100% की जरूरत नहीं थी. What can you elaborate on that? Like what was expected from you, and how did you achieve results if you weren't doing 100% things? Like how did you change if you weren't doing 100%?
Okay, so it's something like this. So let's say we take the habit of
Slow
fruits and
eating.
vegetables.
Okay, fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables. Okay,
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
slow eating we do have people. It's tough, man.
It is very tough.
It's
Uh,
tough. Okay,
yeah.
ठीक है. And fruits and vegetables तो मुझे लगता था I ace.
Hmm.
All right, I'll be starting with like this whole fruit breakfast and like having so much and everything. So fruits and vegetables was like an habit where when we started that मैंने कहा ये तो please इस प्रोग्राम में मैं आई भी क्यों ये तो मैं करती हूँ.
ये तो मैं सिखा दूँ.
Exactly.
And rightly so. I was just having a conversation with a person just before this, and she was talking to me about her diet. And after listening to her 15 minutes, I said, you know much more about diet and food than I do, because this is not what I really specialize in going deeper into inside the program.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look at the cheat mode that was there just need for me. ठीक है. हाँ, सही बात है. I start my day with the best of intentions.
Yeah.
Okay, fruits, nuts, Loki juice. I end my day with bhujia.
Yes.
तब कहाँ गए fruits and vegetables?
Yes.
Right. तो वो सब तो ठीक है. Fruits and vegetables खाओ. लेकिन उसके साथ तो वो भी हो रहा था.
Okay, guys, we warned you about the batisi.
So this thing was also happening. So now the thing was, I like my bhujia. I like my bhel puri. Like in the evening, like I'll tell you, yaar, I want to have a snack. मेरा बहुत मन करता है. Okay, I want to have a snack. So invariably मैं bhel puri बनवाऊंगी. मैं कुछ ना कुछ नहीं तो अच्छा मैगी खा लिया. विवान ने मैगी मांगा इसलिए मैगी खा लिया. वहाँ कहाँ गए fruits and vegetables, right? Now, as I figured it, I said, yeah, I like these things. These things give me a high. Okay. The moment I cut them out, the moment I say मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, I feel terrible. Okay, and वो 3 दिन का deprivation जो है ना, फिर चौथे दिन पे जाके टूटता ही था. Okay, I would feel terrible about it. So this was not a good space. So when you said देखो 100% नहीं चाहिए, तुम बस देखो कि इसका habit better कैसे कर सकते हो. Okay, how can you're doing this, but how can you make a little more conscious choice of making it better. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने कहा भेलपुरी में मैंने कहा सुनो भेलपुरी में ना ज्यादा टमाटर ज्यादा प्याज ज्यादा खीरा डाल दो. ठीक है. और जो वो भेलपुरी वाला एलिमेंट है ना वो थोड़ा कम कर दो. ओके, तो पहले तो चेंज वो हुआ. फाइन. फिर जब हम लोग एक बार याद है वी वेंट ऑन द शुगर फ्री थिंग. वो शुगर फ्री थिंग के टाइम पे जो है मेरी सोंठ गायब हो गई उस भेलपुरी से. ओके, एंड आई रियलाइज्ड आई स्टिल लाइक इट. So essentially, what was I eating? Essentially, I was eating more tomato, cucumber, onion, okay, with green chutney mixed in it. And I was happy.
And the dressing of bhel puri.
The dressing of bhel puri. Exactly. Okay. So this is how that entire thing for me practically worked out, where it wasn't 100% thing. It just became, अच्छा ठीक है चलो इसको 40% करते हैं, इसको 50% करते हैं. Like I think one major shift was bhujia. Midnight को bhujia के pans हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. And Vivan भी जो है, my son also, he also likes bhujia a lot. All right, and he was saying, Mama bhujia. मैंने कहा बेटा आज भुजिया ना खा के भुने चने खा ले.
Yes, I remember when you wrote that.
मतलब I'm not forsaking my midnight snack, but I shifted it to bhuna chana.
Wow.
Fine. Okay, and you know, and then this thing when we started looking at healthier carbs. Okay, so you're not talking about taking carbs off the plate. You're just saying let's get to healthier carbs, and I was very inclined towards my safed chawal. I love my white rice यार, and मेरे दिमाग में मैं इतना सा ही तो लेती हूँ दिन में.
Yeah,
ठीक है,
exactly.
एक ही तो बार खाती हूँ, फाइन, इतना सा तो लेती हूँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? But when I replaced it with my quinoa brown rice that I now like so much because it's got this really nice nutty flavor to it, okay, when I replaced it, all right, and I started having that, I realized I'm feeling fuller, okay, I'm feeling better longer, fine, I feel hungrier later. So nothing was about, bilkul 100% pe pahunch jao. It was this fundamental change, and I think this is more lasting because Jasneet, it made me realize a love for certain flavors, a love for certain things. I never felt like I deprived myself. I never left anything. It's like the movement from milk chocolate to dark chocolate. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's where I look at this 100, 60, 80, that wherever we are, we're making steps like walk karna. Okay, so I said मैं इतना नहीं walk कर सकती हूँ, मेरा सिर्फ इतना ही time है between my child, between this thing, I only have this much. ठीक है, तो walk को और कैसे वो करें, enhance कैसे करें? I started wearing weights. Okay.
Yes.
And now that same 1 hour workout became a much more intensive workout because I was wearing weights.
Right? Yes. Yes.
So I've not been to a gym. I've not been doing squats. I've not been doing anything. All I've done is just make those shifts that you taught us to do during the program. That's all.
Wow. And Devika, you touched on this beautiful point. You said, कि मना कुछ नहीं है, but and maybe when you know कि तुम्हें permission है, तुम्हें white rice खाने तुम white rice खा लो, तुम्हें भुजिया खाना तुम भुजिया खा लो, हर चीज की permission है, तो जब वो permission होती है, then perhaps वहाँ पे you don't feel कि ये मना है और इसकी इतनी craving हो रही है.
Exactly. Yeah, and I also during shift I also realized that I have certain baggage that I carry from the relationships I was in. Okay, which caused me to feel very to approach food in a very different way. So because of certain people in my life, all right, there used to be times when I used to totally diet. कि बिल्कुल मतलब कुछ नहीं खाना है क्योंकि I'm subscribing, I'm trying to get to this particular body image that this person likes. Okay.
Yeah.
So with that, this thing of कि मनाई है, ये और भी ज्यादा था, और भी ज्यादा मेरे लिए और भी ज्यादा था. Okay. That ये चीज मना है, and जब वो मना होता था तो it used to make me feel horrible. And the moment I'd get the opportunity, I would binge on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. So definitely this language change that was there in Shift, it helped me as compared to any other program, because I recall whenever I would go to a gym, whenever I'd go to a trainer, whenever I'd go to a nutritionist, someone who's putting a diet plan for me, it would be, this is a no, don't eat this. And for some reason, then I would only have cravings for that.
Or the no.
Yeah, for the no. So अब वो मेरा rebellion behavior मान लो या जो भी मान लो, I don't know, but that was the mind space that would go in. Yeah. So here to be told that किसी चीज की मनाही नहीं है, and I think you and I discussed the fact that I like my drink and I like I feel very deprived. Okay.
Yes.
If I'm not getting to have at least one drink in the week, which I sit in, watching my TV, I'll have that.
Okay. And we had that whole discussion, kaddu pe teen nahi marna.
बिल्कुल exactly. Okay. And then how I just said, अच्छा ठीक है, चलो इसको मैं इसमें मिक्सर डालने की जगह ना, let me, because mixers usually have got like a lot of sugar, मैं इसमें सिर्फ नींबू डाल देती हूँ, या इसको जो है नीट पी लेती हूँ, या ऐसे करती हूँ. And so we did it, we did it with sticking with what I like, and still making changes to it which I now like more.
Wow, amazing. Because that's a change that you want to make and you're not being told to do it. I mean, this is something that you are coming up with, and when you decide to make that change, then you want to stick with it rather than someone telling you, कि ये करो, ये नहीं करो. So tell me, Devika, you mentioned that, how, how are some of the ways that you are, loving yourself, loving the way you look, loving the way you feel more than before? How are you expressing this, and what do you think helped you fall more like in love with how you are?
So one, of course, developed was, because of all the positive language and because of the positive atmosphere. There were also a lot of ways to deal with situations that became more positive than negative.
Hmm.
Like, जैसे घर में खाना बना है, ठीक
Hmm.
है, एंड मुझे या तो कुक बोल रहा है या मम्मा बोल रही हैं या जो भी बोल रहे हैं, कि बेटा ऐसे खा ले, ये वेस्ट हो जाएगा, ओके, एंड
Yeah.
And I told you कि वेस्ट हो जाएगा तो मतलब इज लाइक जैसे ना मुझे ब्रेन वॉश कर दिया गया हो, ठीक है,
Battle
जैसे
cry.
बिल्कुल. आई रिमेम्बर आई टोल्ड यू कि वो कैप्टन अमेरिका में जो कैरेक्टर था जिसको वो 5 वर्ड्स बोल दो एंड वो जो है सडनली किलिंग मशीन बन जाता है ना. वेस्ट हो जाएगा, आई लाइक दोज वर्ड्स टू मी. कोई कहता है वेस्ट हो
Eating machine बनने के लिए.
जाएगा, नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं वेस्ट होने दूंगी. ओके, तो वो तो फिर मुझे खाना ही खाना है, बिकॉज बिल्कुल ही मैं, एंड देयर इज नो वे आई कैन नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट टू वेस्ट हो जाएगा.
My
Okay.
stomach is hurting now. When you used to send these updates, because in the program you send daily updates, and Devika would use these exact words in her daily updates. So I'm reading the update, reading one update, and then Devika's update would come. I'm like, oh, I'm sitting and laughing at my laptop. Captain America.
Full movie story with like a villain. कल का villain भुजिया था, आज का villain पानी पूरी थी.
अब battle cry आ गई, waste हो जाएगा बेटा, खा लो.
I know. So when we were working, so immediately जो waste हो जाएगा, and both you and I said, and you said कि देविका ऐसे मत सोच कि waste हो जाएगा, ऐसे सोच कि waste को जाएगा.
कमर को लग जाएगा.
Okay, कमर को लग जाएगा, waste को जाएगा. And that just sat my head. Now any time when someone would tell me, दीदी ये खा लो, ये waste हो जाएगा, or mom would say, बेटा ये खा लो, ये waste हो जाएगा, some part of me, see, pehle I would react in a very negative manner also, na? But instead, now some part of me would laugh and I'd say, no, waste ko jayega. So while I'd be saying no for it, okay, I would be saying it with a smile, and with a certain sense of confidence, rather than feeling defensive, rather than feeling ki, अरे मैं मना कर रही हूँ, अब ये फेंक जाएगा, all of that just went out of my head. Okay. So the way I was even saying no to people, or the way I was saying कि अच्छा नहीं मुझे ये नहीं खाना, नहीं ये अति हो गई है, नहीं ज़्यादा हो गया, okay, even that became a positive experience because of these little humorous things that we brought in. Okay, अब तो कोई बोलेगा बेटा वेस्ट हो जाएगा, मैं कहूँगी वेस्ट हो जाएगा, छोड़ दो. भूल नहीं सकते हम. Okay. So yeah, so that's why I said, so with the positivity of the program, okay, develop these positive experiences around food, and develop these positive experiences about how we say yes to food and no to food, and how we feel about food as a whole. Okay, and that eventually transformed into me starting to feel very positive about the way I have been addressing the need of food in my life. Okay, see, I've always called myself a foodie. I'm the first person, मतलब मैं जहां भी ट्रैवल करती हूँ, ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो मेरा Zomato खुलता है या मेरा जो है TripAdvisor खुलता है to see best restaurants around me. Okay. Yes. And I never shy from going to some great place for a meal by myself, where I'll just sit and I'll just enjoy the food. Yeah. Okay. My favorite relationships with people are built around food. Okay, I will remember सालों पहले मैंने कौन सी जगह पे कौन सा वो डबल फ्राइड वो खाया. Okay, कहाँ जाके मैंने कौन सा, मतलब I want to write a blog in my life called घाट घाट का गोलगप्पे का पानी.
I love that.
So I'm like that where food is concerned. And now for a person who feels like that about food, to start feeling of food as shame, as a guilt, as my falling short of the standard I've set for my body. Do you see how horrible that can be? ओके, यू नो, कि मतलब खा रहे हैं तब खुश हैं, लेकिन जो है उसके बाद लगा यार क्या किया यार, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था यार, डैम इट. दैट गॉट एड्रेस्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोग्राम. ओके, वे ठीक है, खाया, खुश थे ना, बस खुश, जो खाओ उसमें खुश रहो, आगे जाके देख लेना क्या करना उसके बारे में, बट अभी खुश.
जिस वक्त खा रहे हो उस वक्त सिर्फ खाओ और एंजॉय करो.
हाँ, एंजॉय करो, यू नो. एंड बाद में डोंट हिट योरसेल्फ विद नेगेटिव लैंग्वेज, डोंट स्टार्ट यू नो गिल्टिफाइंग योरसेल्फ, डोंट से जैसे जैसे मेरा यूजुअल, आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड इट फ्रॉम मी सो मेनी टाइम्स. ओके, खाया, फिर कहा नहीं मैं आज 5000 स्टेप्स एक्स्ट्रा कर लूंगी.
या
You
या
know,
फिर आई वाज अ बैड पर्सन ऑन द
I was a
वीकेंड.
bad person, exactly. That's why I said, no, my updates used to be like total drama movie stories, na, villain of the piece. Okay, so I realized that I don't need to do that. There is, you know, there are beautiful stories which don't have villains. You know, the pani puri doesn't need to be a villain. Okay, I can eat the pani puri and you know like ठीक है, पहले शायद जो है ना, पहले ऐसे होता था, पहला गोलगप्पा गया यम, दूसरा गोलगप्पा गया यम, तीसरा गोलगप्पा गया नाउ आई एम ओवर ईटिंग, ओ माय गॉड, ठीक है, चौथा गोलगप्पा यार ये तो बहुत है, पांचवा गोलगप्पा यार अब तो बहुत खा लिया, चलो ये भी खा लेते हैं. छठे गोलगप्पे तक गिव अप ऑन योरसेल्फ देविका, खाते जाओ खाते जाओ, कहते 10वें गोलगप्पे तक पहुंच गए. ओके, नाउ इट इज लाइक पहला गोलगप्पा गया यम, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, दूसरा गोलगप्पा, oh this is amazing, I am going to slow down this experience. ठीक है, I slow down the experience. Fine. तीसरा गोलगप्पा, oh this is amazing man, this is amazing, वाह yummy, that's it. मैंने एक्सपीरियंस को इतना स्लो डाउन करके इतना एंजॉय कर लिया कि by the third गोलगप्पा I do not need to go to the fourth गोलगप्पा to get my satiety.
Wow.
Okay,
I love
so so
this should be this little snippet we'll put on your घाट घाट के गोलगप्पे
घाट घाट के गोलगप्पे का
blog पे.
बिल्कुल.
ये डिस्क्रिप्शन एक रियल गोलगप्पा फैन ही दे सकता है जैसे तुमने दी.
Seriously.
Wow.
So you know, so anyway, so those were the kind of positive things that started happening, and when those positive things started happening, okay, and I realized I have so much more. I realized I have so much more control. Not control. No, control is the wrong word. I have so much more choice.
Choice.
Okay, I have so much more choice to deal with an experience in a positive way. Okay, that I started looking at myself more positively. I started looking at myself with kindness instead of you know saying Devika you suck, you had 10 golgappas. You know, I started saying chal badhiya the, theek hai, you know, so I just started, that was the major thing. I just started looking at myself with kindness. See, a lot of people would tell me, tujhe kaise, how can you have problems with your body? I mean, you look fine, you know, theek hai. You know, a lot of people would see, theek hai, chalo package dekh ke, you know, fine, thoda fair skin hai, but I, as an adolescent and pretty much till my 30s, I had a terrible acne problem. Okay, fine, because of which I would hide myself under layers and layers of makeup. All right, fine. Then then as I said, I had certain relationships in my life that made me feel very negative about my body weight. I mean, there was a time when I used to weigh you know 50 kgs, 48 kgs, 50 kgs. I'm 5'5" and a half. All right, I used to weigh that, and मैं अगर 52 kgs पे पहुंच जाती थी, तो you know the people in my life would be like, are you sure you're not exercising? You know, they'd give me books saying how to have flat abdomens and 200 bays and stuff like that. Okay, so you know, and I lived with those people for like a really long time of my life. Okay, and that in a way totally finishes your confidence off in your own body. So when I had Vivan and when I moved to 82 kgs, which was like the topmost this thing to go to, okay, fine, there were a lot of reasons to feel miserable about my body. So rather than celebrating my body, कि यार इसमें से बच्चा निकला है, ठीक है, fine, you know, all I would think of is my old clothes and what I don't fit into anymore. And let me tell you, ये एक सबसे गड़बड़ चीज होती है, हम लोग ना अपने सारे wardrobes रखते हैं. ओके जसनीत, हम लोग ना, मैंने देखा है, मैंने बहुत दोस्तों में देखा, आई डोंट नो इफ दैट्स द केस विद यू आल्सो एंड विद मोस्ट पीपल, जो हमने कॉलेज में भी पहना था वो वाली जीन्स भी रखेंगे, ठीक है, शादी से पहले वाली जीन्स भी रखेंगे, बच्चे से पहले वाली जीन्स भी रखेंगे, और फिर अपने को उस जीन्स पे मेजर कर करके मार डालेंगे कि हम ये, एंड जिस दिन वो जीन्स आ जाए, वाह अमेजिंग, सडनली आई फील सो गुड अबाउट माई सेल्फ, rather than thinking, यार that jeans is not my standard. Okay,
Who were you
that
that
was the
time and who
person
were
I
you now?
was. Yeah, that was the person I was. It was completely in the past. Okay, after having a kid, my hips have changed, my bums have changed, you know, my back has changed. All right, everything of my body has changed. Yeah, my upper half has completely changed. How can I even imagine that jeans? Because I'm not that person any longer. I'm a completely different person.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
You know, so there now looking at clothes with जो मेरे, and एक और चीज, I used to wear very loose clothes because I used to be very conscious about my body, so I used to wear very loose clothes. Okay, so ये चीज भी अब जो है shift हुई है, where I'm like come on, get yourself something snugger. And I realized I used to buy looser clothes because I used to keep thinking, यार I'll put on weight, फिर ये fit नहीं होएगा ना, then I'll feel like पैसे waste हो गए.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it was basically to prepare for downfall.
I mean, yeah, we keep, we keep thinking that we have to fit back into that old self, whereas like emotionally, mentally, psychologically, every aspect we've grown, but we want our bodies to fit into that little, that teenage self that we were. And whereas we are stronger, we are like much, we've given birth, many of us, we've looked after families, we've looked after parents, we've handled responsibility, and yet we don't want to, grow into a new, more powerful, stronger body. We want to like go back and fit into that, size, as if that size means everything.
And that was the beautiful thing here. In those last 6 months, I realized I am in a phenomenal phase of my life where I don't need to fit into those jeans. Okay, I don't need to go back to anything. All right, and it was very liberating. It was very liberating. Okay, so actually, I completely achieved what I entered Shift for, which was to look super hot on my birthday.
Woohoo! Love that.
Because I felt.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that was the main thing. I felt it. All right, and I sing, and till I mean, during the pandemic, I started recording these few songs and some videos and everything. And I would always have an older photograph of myself, like a much younger photograph of myself. 10 साल पहले की कोई photograph, या कोई सा candid shot जो मैंने finally अपने various parameters में approve कर दिया कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये इसमें जो है मेरे cheekbones दिख रहे हैं, इसमें ये हो रहा है, इसमें मेरा नहीं दिख रहा है, so या तो वो वाली photograph के basis पे जो है कोई video बना देती थी. All right, fine, but in December I actually made a video with me on camera singing, and of course when I get into Shift 2.0, fine, I hope to make a full body video.
Yes.
I'm dancing. Because I dance like everybody wishes they were watching.
Love that. Wow. And when you sent that message and you sent that YouTube link on our Shift group, and you said, guys, this is my Shift, I'm not hiding, here I am, on camera, recorded. I mean, that was the best New Year gift I could ever imagine. So amazing. Thank you, Devika, for taking that leap, for trusting yourself, literally.
No, but I've got to thank you, Jess. I've got to thank you. It's not, I couldn't have made that leap if not for the coach you are and for the program that you've made. Okay, see, I'm not I mean, guru gyan हमको Google से इन दिनों मिल जाता है. Okay, लेकिन guru बहुत कम मिलता है.
Oh, thank you. Heart feels. Wow. Thank you, Dev. Okay, so tell me, okay, I'm still like digesting that. That is such a nice thing you said. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. So Dev, अगर कोई ये Shift 2.0 consider कर रहा है और वो sure नहीं है, तो एक दो sentence में या फिर quick advice तुम्हारी क्या होगी? Like, what would you tell them?
I would tell them that if you think that you can work it out on your own, understand that if you've reached your your mid-30s with not having made a dent on whatever you were thinking you're going to work on your own, there is nothing wrong with taking support. Number one, because this is something that I see a lot of people fall into a trap of. Okay, I will read diets of the internet. I will, go and watch a YouTube video. Fine, and I will do this. Okay, so number one, it's that you have to understand that what you know is what is holding you back. And what you don't know, you can never know till you haven't done something different. Okay, which is listening to others in terms of letting you form an experience that is out of what your usual experience is. Okay, so that's number one. I really think that support is necessary. I remember एक मेरी smart voice ने बोला भी था shift जब खत्म हुआ. Okay, one of my smart voices said, Devika, why don't we for 3 months try to be on our own doing the same stuff, all right, and not get into shift 2.0? And I said, smart voice, shut up. I listened to you for years and years. Okay. I ain't listening to you now. And that's a product of how we tell ourselves we can, that it's failure, in some ways to get into a program. Sometimes it's like that.
Yes.
We keep, talking ourselves down. So that's number one. That's my advice. That think of shift not as, don't think of shift as the isolated diet, the isolated nutrition plan, the isolated going to the gym, the isolated personal trainer. Okay, it's not that. Fine. Think of shift as a transformative change that comes to you mentally, physically, holistically. Okay, which is what you really need to craft your life ahead. Okay, so that's number one. Come to shift because of that. All right. Number two, why should you come to shift? Okay, physically, all right, you will get to do the stuff that you need to do. You will get that. All right, but psychologically, okay, the stuff that you will get in shift is not something I've seen matched with anyone else. Okay, so there is that reason why you should join. Also, listen, you know what, we are all busy people. We've given our lives to others. Okay, whether it's our kids, whether it's our work, whether it's our spouses, our families. Fine, ये जो शिफ्ट वाला ग्रुप वाला जो टाइम होता है ना, ये जो हमारा सैटरडे कॉल वाला जो टाइम होता है ना, ठीक है, ये सिर्फ अपना टाइम है. Okay, it is like something which is like, and I think that's the reason why none of us would want to miss a single call, because this is a time when you just take it on yourself. It's your own time and you're claiming it, you're claiming it out of everything. Fine. So whether you think of it in terms of time, whether you think in terms of money, you need to do that for yourself. Okay, particularly right now with the pandemic. I mean, I know women are going through such a tough time. They're going through such a tough time. We have got so much burden. Okay, so ये वाला वक्त और भी लगता है कि you can't do a program for yourself, but I think even more you need to say no, this is going to be the time I take out for myself. Okay, whether it is for better health, whether it is for more strength, whether it is for better power, or whether it is just to be in a positive space. That's why you need to be on this program.
Wow, thank you. That is huge, everything you just said, because I was just thinking that, just being around a group of positive people who are cheering you on, I think that itself is huge, and sometimes we feel that, our ego comes in the way, and which is why, if you remember, I used to keep telling you guys that, guys, I hold you accountable jitna ho sake, but it's not like I'm not holding myself accountable. So I share my meal journal with someone that I take help from. And it's not that I don't know kya khana hai, kya nahi khana hai, kab kya. That's what I teach, right? That's what I do for a living. But there's nothing wrong in taking support, because when it comes to yourself, we can be ultra personal, and our personal thing can, come in the way of judging our, goals objectively, judging our progress objectively. And it's nice to have an objective third person telling you, okay, do you want to see this differently?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Even while I was on shift, there were so many people giving me ज्ञान of really why you doing this. मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ कौन सी डाइट लो. Okay, मैं तुम्हें बोल रहा हूँ तुम सुबह उठो एक पूरी बोतल पानी का पी लो बस सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Yes, I remember the warm water discussion also.
Exactly.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. कितना 1000 बार कपालभाति कर लो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. I agree. I know all of this. That's why I said, गुरु ज्ञान गूगल पे है. Okay, लेकिन गुरु important है. Fine. Yeah. So you need that. You need that kind of guidance. It's not just the group that eventually comes, because just need group to has come because of your, you're making the space where the group evolved like that. Right? Okay. Fine. Otherwise, we can, maybe we can say just we can form a WhatsApp group over on. I mean, think about it. That ठीक है, हम 5 लोग we think alike. We all want the same physical goals. तुम अपनी जगह walk करना, मैं अपनी जगह walk करूंगी. तुम मेरा diet maintain करना, मैं अपना diet maintain करना. And finally, we'll just be eating chips together. Okay. Video call पे नो. तुम्हारा भी नहीं हो पाया, हाँ मेरा भी नहीं हो पाया, चलो चिप्स खाओ.
ऑनलाइन ड्रिंक ही कर लेते हैं डाल के.
So yeah, and that's not to say that you are not going to have those cravings. That's not to say that you're, hey, yesterday I had a bag full of cheese puffs.
Yeah,
I had it slowly.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes,
exactly.
Yes, absolutely. I think what happens is that you simply start getting aware कि आप ये खा रहे हो, rather than वो automatic eating. That eating will continue, and this is lifelong, right? Like I teach slow eating, I coach on that, but every time, every meal you have to think कि नहीं अभी धीरे खाना है इसको.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
ये तो lifelong है, attention. ऐसे नहीं कि वो things of the past बन जाएंगे, but constantly you just have this voice in your head saying, अच्छा, थोड़ा सा better कर दो इसको.
Exactly.
Yes. Thank you so much, Devika, for really sharing your experiences from the heart. I feel lucky to work with people like you who are so genuine, and you're so. You're wanting to, I heard it in your, the way you were explaining the program, that you want other women to experience a positive change.
Definitely. I mean, I'm someone who works with women in distress, Jasmeet, and there are times when you figure something out and you realize that it doesn't take much. It doesn't take much except for a stand for your own self, okay, to really change your life. And for someone like me who is so much involved in counseling, in understanding people's grief, in understanding their pain patterns and everything, for me to get a space where I could understand my own, okay, fine, it has to be said for the quality of the program. Absolutely. Yeah. So I would fully, wholeheartedly, completely from the bottom of my heart, I would support this program, and I would really, really want people to come and transform themselves on this.
Wow. Thank you, Dev. Thank you so much. And on that note, and on Devika's strong endorsement of what this can do, all of you know that Shift 2.0 is open for registrations, and and some of you, as you're leaving your comments, tell me more, you would have noticed that I'm not here to convince you that this is for you, or to say no, this is not for you, but I'm here to share with you what happens when you join inside it, and then you take a call whether this is what you need right now or you don't. Right? So if you think you want to have a discussion, if you want to just have a conversation about your health, leave me a message, say, tell me more, and I'll reach out to you and we'll simply have a conversation. So look forward to doing that with more and more of you. And thank you, Devika. And I'm looking forward to our interview in July this year. Okay. And really looking forward to अब कौन से कद्दुओं पे तीर मारते हैं अगले 6 महीने में.
अब और नए
और
नए
नए नए कद्दू।
बिल्कुल।
ठीक है जी, थैंक यू so much, and I'll see you, Devika, on our call next week. Okay, the group call next week.
Okay, great. Thanks so much, Jasneet. Thanks a ton. Okay,
Thank
take
you.
care.
Okay, bye. Thank you.